Yonkers had an 85. Bloomfield, New Jersey had an 89. Sure enough, we can find some 90s out there. A 91 from Pleasant Valley, Mark and Janine. Thank you, everybody, for taking the readings for me because, again, it just allows me to color this forecast brighter than I could if I'm just using, numbers in from the National Weather Service because they've got just their spots, and it's the same spots every day. If I've got you out there, I can cover the entire area with all of your information. Now, here's a great-looking blue sky behind our skyscrapers out there. We have a temperature right now that comes in at 81 degrees, so it's a beautiful blue. It's mostly sunny. The winds are calm right now. Relative humidity, you had dew points in the 50s today, so look, there was some humidity out there, but it was better. 84 was the high temperature at 1:14 in the afternoon. That's exactly in line with where you expect to be. That's the average for this time of the year, and that's also where you were yesterday. The record is 101. That was set in 1966. That was a hot year right there. 68 was the morning low at 5:19 this morning, and 68 is one little old degree off the average of 69. Taking a peek here at what we're going to be talking about over the next 2 minutes. Is it a better weekend for the beach or the mountains? I'll show you that forecast here in just a moment. Are we still flirting with a low-grade heat wave? It's a possibility. The weekend rain chance, I want to look at that. And could any of those storms be on the severe side? So first of all, beach or mountain? I'm going to tell you I believe the beach is the better forecast this weekend, and it's only because there's a slightly better chance for rain in the mountains. It's about a 30% risk later Saturday into Sunday, whereas it's a maybe 10 to 20% risk for the beaches. So it's a good weekend for everybody. I think the mountains have a better chance to see a little bit of rain. Vortex radar satellite. No rain out there right now. The bigger picture will show you that's where your rain is, all right? All associated with the cold front. We have a nice high-pressure system in control of our air right now, and that gives us a good-looking day. Low pressure offshore. This is what's left of Burl, okay? It's just a remnant. However, there's a chance, slight chance over the next 4 days it redevelops, but how it affects us is that concern about rip currents again at our shoreline. Let's take a peek at how some of that rain could make its way in here. Right now, it's out around the Great Lakes. So you put this into motion. Friday night's fine. Saturday morning, you're fine out there. Saturday afternoon, you're fine. But here we are at 5:30, and now you start seeing some of that wet weather. And this is why I think the mountains are maybe not as nice a forecast as your beaches, okay? That's 5:30. Now, as you get into the late night hours and overnight into early Sunday morning, it drifts a little further to the south. Now some of those, heavy downpours are even possible around New York City, pushing out onto Long Island. And then you have a little bit of a break as you go through the afternoon on Sunday, but by 7:30, the evening hours, you know what? You could pop again a little bit of rain. So how much rain are we talking about here? Is it the real severe stuff? Well, here's how we see things working out. Okay, 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. So now you've gone through your entire day on Saturday. It is not an all-day rain. It's not. It's late Saturday during the overnight hours where I really think you're going to get it into early Sunday. But, a lot of areas here with zeros, 0.2, 0.3, a little bit of rain, a little bit. But where you see this stripe, if this stripe develops, this is not a guarantee, but if you get a stripe like that developing, that means you get training showers or storms over your area. So your spot gets rained on by one storm. There's another one behind it, another one behind that. If you get that, you could see an inch or two, and then that second little round that you could see on Sunday would give our area maybe an extra half an inch. So that's the way I see everything out there. My numbers come together looking like this. 89. Goes to 90 on Sunday, goes to 91 Monday. Boy, you get that 89 tomorrow to a 90. That could be a heat wave again. Borderline heat wave, but it could possibly be one. And even if you miss it on Saturday with an 88 for Tuesday, maybe you get on the back end. It's going to be close.
You love torturing us with these numbers, don't you?